Okay. One more now.
Okay,
Okay, that's
sir.
enough. That's enough.
Then
Now, use your left hand to fold this. Use your right hand to, get the gusset. No, ma, you need to pull your, gusset hard enough so that there won't be any wrinkles. Ah, okay. So, you should also see behind, so there is no cloth, in the way.
then
Now fold again. Ah, that's it. No, no, you have to, go this way. Yeah, go according to it. No, 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 no. Ah, that's right. Okay. Now you go straight now. Okay. Now we have a line to maintain too.
it is.
That is good. Okay. So this is where we have the label. Super.
Double stitch.
While we go here, while we end it there. Yeah, let me go back. Super. Okay. See, it is still here. Mm-hmm. Super, super. Super. So we have the other piece here.
First, we have to place here.
Yeah, let the two notches meet each other
Okay.
and put a mark there.
Then
Mm-hmm. Super. And
then
then
what, sir?
that's okay, ma. And then we have a mark to maintain here, 2 inches mark.
Okay.
Yeah. And put the mark here, ma, on the gusset.
Okay. Then
And then we
double
fold it.
folding.
Yes, ma'am.
Double or single, like
Double,
this.
ma, double. First, yeah. You can make it later, but okay.
First, we have to start, no, sir. Then
Now you fold it here, ma. Let that be the edge. Okay.
we'll stitch.
Yes.
From here, we have to start, no, sir.
Yes, but from
Double
there.
folding. Then
Yes.
have you done this one folding before?
Yeah, ma.
No,
Yeah, we have, ma.
we have done.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Now,
here.
ma. Yeah, it has to be there. The
Okay.
important thing is, yeah, this
Double.
has to, yeah, it has to go in behind. So, no, ma. So here's the line. Place it on line. Ah, super, super. There should be a gap between there. Yeah. That's it. Super. Let me start from there.